Some people have asked, what is the North American Phonograph Company and how does it apply to the recording industry of today? Well, many recent laws have extended contracts and other dealings with sound recording, since most of the best golden years of sound recording have everything's almost expired on them. So the recording industry has clamored to renew old contracts. There's been corporations trying to have more protection, and in doing so, basically they let the cat out of the bag of bringing back some of these. If a person has a very old company that may have been a big part of something, they've given it a little more validity, even if it supposedly has been expired. Well, the dormant company clause actually, if somebody brings back a organization or a company with the intended purpose of its original purpose and actually goes about manufacturing things as it did, the North American Phonograph Company today does manufacture wax cylinders. It also records on digital recording devices as well and produces compact discs, and even has the name on major record label compilations. It's out there. So many collectors say it don't exist. The collector community say, oh, well, the North American Phonograph Company is defunct. Well, Sean Borey, well, yeah, whatever. So, again, what is the North American Phonograph? What do I originally intended the North American Phonograph Company to be a historical preservation of early ways of sound recording. We still make wax cylinders, as they're called wax cylinders. They're actually a metallic soap record. And we still make these things. Kind of interesting, but that is not the purpose of. Purpose is, I will read you what we are about, and the object for which the company is formed are to manufacture, trade in, buy, sell, rent, lease, and otherwise acquire, hold, and dispose of phonographs, phonograph graphophones, and instruments of any other kind or description designed, made, or used for, intended for the recording and reproducing of sounds, and any or either of them or any part thereof, and any and all supplies, appliances, materials, and articles now used or required, and that may be hereafter used or required in the manufacture, use, or operation of said phonographs, phonograph graphophones, and instruments, or any or either of them, and also for the purpose of renting, leasing, selling, or otherwise disposing of to other firms, persons, or corporations the right or rights to manufacture, trade in, buy, sell, rent, lease, or otherwise dispose of phonographs, phonograph graphophones, and instruments, or either of them, or any part thereof, or of the right to use the same either generally or in any specified state, locality, or territory, or in any general or limited manner, and also for the purpose of acquiring, receiving, owning, and controlling by lease, rental, purchase, invention, or otherwise, any patent, patents, application for patents, contracts, devices, designs, instruments, and formulas, or any or either of them relating to the art and science of recording and reproducing sound, and for the purpose of purchasing materials, therefore, and any other purposes incidental to the business, trading, and manufacturing aforesaid. That is what the North American Phonograph Company is about. That is what the organization of which you are listening to this YouTube video, which, by the way, does not have a license to record anything of sound devices or anything. Be interesting to see what copyright holders do when they listen to this little ditty. This is Sean Borey, president of the North American Phonograph Company. By the way, if you put my name in SHAWNBORRI into Google and put my name and put piracy, there will be more further information about this over many years dating back to the early 2000s As I said, I principally set out to make wax cylinders, and I ran into all this paperwork. I have actually the minutes, and I could go on and on, but this is just a short little presentation. Thank you for listening.